First of all, I would like to thank the Philippine Association for Graduate Education, PAGE, for inviting me to speak on Education 4.0 Calculator Learning Method. Simple knowledge is the most important core of Education 4.0, and simple knowledge will make teaching and learning more effective and fun. Simple knowledge can help self-study, learn anytime, anywhere. Knowledge can be learned outside the classroom. Simple knowledge can also help make it easier to program knowledge into educational technology tools like online calculators. This will encourage more development of educational technology tools such as online calculators, which will strengthen technology-inclusive education and make teaching and learning of Education 4.0 more effective and fun. As we know, Albert Einstein also stressed on importance of simply knowledge, quote by Albert Einstein. 1. Everything should be made as simple as possible. 2. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. 3. When the solution is simple, God is answering. An article at International Journal of Education and Literacy Studi, Education 4.0 Made Simple, Ideas for Teaching. Next, let's take a look at 2 new simple solutions available on the Education 4.0 calculator. 1. Peter-Chu method for solving triangles can solve the same triangle problem very easily compared to the current method. 2. Peter-Chu rule for solving triangles can solve same triangle problems easily and more accurately than current methods. With these 2 new simple knowledge, the Education 4.0 calculator, Peter-Chu triangle diagram calculator can guide users to solve all triangle problems with simple solutions, only need to use one rule and only once. Problem-based learning innovation, using problem to power learning in the 21st century. Problem-based learning provides a unique and intriguing mechanism to move higher education beyond its traditional foundations and create the kinds of critical thinkers the labor market demands. Problem-based learning, PBL, involves students being challenged to solve genuine problems from their discipline. In addition to developing general skills such as critical thinking and abstract reasoning, PBL is an ideal way for students to apply their theoretical knowledge in an authentic way. PBL is often used as a way for students to develop experience in the process of solving a problem, rather than simply seeking a correct solution. A significant relation was found between the PBL method and collaborative learning, disciplinary subject learning, iterative learning, and authentic learning, which, in turn, produce student engagement. Experiential learning is also referred to as learning through action, learning by doing, learning through experience, and learning through discovery and exploration, all which are clearly defined by these well-known maxims. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. Benjamin Franklin, The Future of Education, Integrating Technology in the Classroom. Integration of technology in teaching and learning. Comprehensive initiatives enhance student engagement and learning as technology increasingly transforms our daily lives. Educators too are seeking strategies and resources that leverage technology to improve student learning. Research demonstrates that high-quality professional development, digital standards-based content, and personalized learning plans can increase student achievement, engagement, and critical thinking skills, and provide students with access to learning opportunities otherwise difficult to attain. Technological integration in the classroom can lead to the following benefits. 1. Improved student engagement. 2. Increased access for all students to learning opportunities. Digital transformation in education, aiming to achieve Education 4.0 objectives. Education 4.0 Calculator Learning Method. Combining simple knowledge, problem-based learning, experiential learning, and AI technology. The objective of Education 4.0 Calculator Learning Method is to develop the skills students will need in the Industry 4.0 labor market, such as problem solving and digital skills. Advantage of Education 4.0 Calculator Learning Method. 1. Quality teaching methods. Computers versus students, 1-to-1, plus teacher assistance. 2. Fostering students' critical thinking meets problem-based learning. From the Education 4.0 Calculator, students need to think critically about which is the solution to a given triangle problem. Develop the critical thinkers needed for the Industry 4.0 labor market. 3. Improve students' digital skills, skills needed in the Industry 4.0 labor market. 4. Experiential learning, learning through action. Benjamin Franklin quotes, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." 5. The Education 4.0 Calculator Guide Student Use Simple Solution, simple and straightforward, for all triangle problem. All problems can be solved by a single rule. 6. Education 4.0 Calculator Guide Students to Step-by-Step Solutions. 7. Education 4.0 Calculator Provide Complete and Correct Answer.
1. Provide complete answers. The ambiguous case of triangle solution. When using the law of signs to find the side of a triangle, an ambiguous case occurs when two separate triangles can be constructed. For example, for A equals 6, C equals 10 and angle A equals 30 degree, two separate triangles can be constructed. The answer angle C is 56.44 degree or 123.56 degree. As we see, Education 4.0 Calculator, Peter Chu Triangle Diagram Calculator provide complete answers. Angle C is 56.44 degree or 123.56 degree. But as we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Wolfram Alpha providing complete answers. Wolfram Alpha just provide 56.44 degree. Wolfram Alpha does not provide 123.56 degree. As we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Symbolab also providing complete answers. Symbolab just provide 56.44 degree. Symbolab does not provide 123.56 degree. As we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Math Portal also providing complete answers. Math Portal just provide 56.44 degree. Math Portal does not provide 123.56 degree. 2. Provide correct answers. As example, for triangle ABC, when B equals C equals 3, angle C equals 90 degree, find angle B. For this problem, the answer is no solution. As we see, Education 4.0 Calculator, Peter Chu Triangle Diagram Calculator provide correct answers, no solution. But as we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Wolfram Alpha provide wrong answers. Wolfram Alpha provide angle B is 90 degree. For triangle ABC, when B equals C equals 3, angle C equals 90 degree, answer angle B equals 90 degree is the wrong answer. If angle B equals 90 degree, we will have two parallel lines passing through points B and C. They will not intersect and will not form a triangle. As we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Symbolab also provide wrong answers. Angle B is Symbolab also provide 90 degree. As we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Math Portal also provide wrong answers. Math Portal also provide angle B is 90 degree. Let's see another example. For triangle ABC, when B equals C equals 5, angle C equals 150 degree, find angle B. For this problem, the answer is no solution. As we see, Education 4.0 Calculator, Peter Chu Triangle Diagram Calculator provide correct answers, no solution. But as we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Wolfram Alpha provide wrong answers. Wolfram Alpha provide angle B is 30 degree. For triangle ABC, when B equals C equals 5, angle C equals 150 degree, answer angle B equals 30 degree is the wrong answer. If angle B equals 30 degree, we will have two parallel lines passing through points B and C. They will not intersect and will not form a triangle. As we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Symbolab also provide wrong answers. Symbolab also provide angle B is 30 degree. As we see, calculated as of the 27th of October, 2022, Math Portal also provide wrong answers. Math Portal also provide angle B is 30 degree.
8. Step-by-step solutions for teacher reference. Feedback from the SSE Plus Science and Mathematics Officer of the Seberang Prey Tengda District Education Office, Penang, Tuan Ong Kai Cheng.
I am excited by Dr. Peter Chu's sharing of rules, methods and Peter Chu triangle diagrams in Educational 4.0 Calculator. This workshop adds new knowledge and skills in teaching the topic of solving triangles. Using Peter Chu rule, methods and triangle diagrams can solve triangle problems with simple solutions. Education 4.0 Calculator introduced by Dr. Peter Chu is a new teaching and learning application that can help improve the quality and effectiveness of student learning in the topic of solution of triangles, KSSM Supplementary Mathematics Form 4. I hope that this new knowledge and skills can be disseminated to additional mathematics teachers throughout Malaysia. I suggest that Peter Chu's rule, methods and triangle diagrams can be published in the additional mathematics curriculum to provide more alternative options for students in solving triangle problem.
Feedback of the Educational 4.0 Calculator Workshop from Central Prey District teachers showed that the Educational 4.0 Calculator Workshop was completely successful because after attending the Educational 4.0 Calculator Workshop, all 25 teachers agreed to know how to use the Educational 4.0 Calculator to solve all triangle problems step by step with one rule and only once. The feedback of the Educational 4.0 Calculator Workshop at the secondary school Chiomin, Kalim, Kedah, Malaysia also showed that the Educational 4.0 Calculator Workshop was a complete success as all 24 students agreed that after attending the Educational 4.0 Calculator Workshop, they knew how to use the Educational 4.0 Calculator to solve all triangle problems step by step with one rule and only once. Feedback from SMJK Chiomin Ad Maths teacher.
Education 4.0 Calculator easy to use, easy to install and easy to access offline. Education 4.0 Calculator easy to use to find the final answer of triangle problem because user-friendly. Education 4.0 Calculator helps solve triangle problems step by step with a single rule, such as the sine or cosine rule, because the steps are clear and systematically. Education 4.0 Calculator learning method more interesting than the original learning method. I recommend Malaysia to use the Education 4.0 Calculator learning method instead of the original learning method because Education 4.0 Calculator learning method easy to understand, very suitable for students and convenient to use.
24 students participated in the Education 4.0 Calculator Workshop, with an average add math marks between 2 mark and 90 mark.
All students have never studied this topic before. All students agree that the Education 4.0 calculator is easy to use. All students agree that after attending the Education 4.0 calculator workshop, they know how to use Education 4.0 calculator to find the final answer of triangle problem. All students prefer English version Education 4.0 calculator. All students recommend Malaysia to use Education 4.0 calculator learning method instead of the original learning method.
Education 4.0 Calculator Workshop held at the 8th International Conference on Sciences and Mathematical Education. Education 4.0 calculators are introduced in 1. The 24th Asian Mathematics Technology Conference, ATCM 2019, Leshan, China. 2. 8th International Conference on Computer Engineering and Mathematical Sciences, ICSMS 2019. 3. The International Conference on Applications of Physics, Chemistry and Engineering Sciences, ICPCE 2020, in University Malaya, Malaysia.
Education 4.0 Calculator also introduced on CMEO Education Agenda e-course, Enhancement Thinking, Technology and Life by Southeast Asian Ministers of Education Organization, Regional Center for Education in Science and Mathematics, CMEO Wrexham. November 2020, Region Workshop on Education 4.0 Issues, Challenges and Future Direction by CMEO Wrexham. March 2021. Education e-course series Integration of Thinking, Life Skill and Moral Value in Line with Global Citizenship by CMEO Wrexham. November 2021. CMEO Education Agenda e-course Incorporating Technology in Values-Based Sustainable Education by CMEO Wrexham. October 2022. Workshop Education 4.0 Calculator for 25 teacher from Central Prey by District Education Office, Central Prey, Penang, Malaysia. December 2022.
The 7th International Conference on Research Innovations, ICRI 20 to be organized by Society for Research Development on the 11th and 12th of November, 2022 in Penang, Malaysia. Because Peter Chu triangle diagram is simplify the way to solve problems, it's easy to learn especially when a pandemic like COVID. Peter Chu triangle diagram article, preprint, are shared at the World Health Organization. Thanks for listening.